Today we will learn to find Schrodinger wave equation. For this, consider wave function psi. Psi depends on position vector and time. Its amplitude depends on position vector r and exponential factor. Now Maxwell wave equation, differentiating twice with respect to t this equation so that we can put value here. Now find out deva psi upon deva t. This is psi naught, since this is depends on only position vector r, so as constant treated we will differentiate this one once more. What you are doing, just again this will be square, this will be again psi minus I square minus 1 omega square. Now put this value here. So now we are going to put value. For this we will find this value here, not this one, this step. Del square psi is equal to minus omega square upon u square psi. Now we know that omega is 2 pi mu and u is equal to mu lambda. So we can find out from here omega square upon u square, which is 4 pi square upon lambda square. Mu square will be cancelled out. After that we will use, let's put this value again here. What we find, minus 4 pi square upon lambda square psi. Now introducing de Broglie wavelength. For this we will use lambda is equal to h upon mv, where h is Planck constant. Now put this value again in this equation. So what we find, del square psi is equal to minus 4 pi square m square v square upon h square psi. Now we will use this equation further. So let's look here. What we are using again, del square psi minus 4 pi square m square v square upon h square psi. Now look here, total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy E, kinetic energy half mv square, potential energy V. So find out half mv square E minus V. Now find out m square v square, exactly this one. Now again this part we will put here, again put here. What we get, del square psi is equal to minus 4 pi square 2m E minus V upon h square. Yes, obviously there will be psi also. square psi. Now we will del square psi. Now I am going to introduce h cut. H cut is h upon 2 pi. It means h square is h cut square 4 pi square. Use here relation, so 4 pi square will be cancelled out. Yes, I am talking about this relation. We will use this relation here. So this will be minus 2m upon h cut square e minus v psi. Okay, so again this will be del square psi plus 2m upon h cut square e minus v psi is equal to 0. So this is what we know. This is required Schrodinger equation. Okay, so here del square is operator, was this is next video we will learn about application of Schrodinger equation. So thank you.